Here we are. We finished the cap. We ended up putting a band on here of aluminum. We did put three screws in holding the top, and then rather than going through the tough liner, I decided to use some straps, which is something I noticed the company uses it quite a bit, and it's a real good idea. So I ended up using 3 straps. They're like $2 and something each, so it wasn't that bad. Not the heavy duty ones, but extras. I'd rather do more than just one really strong one. And we siliconed here. We also siliconed underneath the collar. I forgot about the collar going down here, so maybe that was kind of a little mistake there. But I guess I could have tested it ahead of time. But I think we're okay because I also siliconed underneath, so anything going in there is going to also be blocked. So I think we're good to go. And I looked down through and I could not see anything wrong. I also looked up through and I couldn't see anything wrong. And I think I could see all the way to where it switched over from one flue to the other. So now we're gonna maybe do some reinforcing on the chimney. Some mortar. Gonna mix up some red mortar and come back up and do some work on that. You can see it needs some work, TLC. And then I think we're ready to start working on the stove inside and get it hooked up. Good to go.